Perhaps the strangest expansion is called the brace expansion. Actually, let me write that down here. So in this lecture, we'll learn about the brace expansion. So with the brace expansion, you can create a multiple text strings from a pattern containing braces. So for example, this here, let me change this to here. So echo, for example, and make it auxiliary and A, B, C, D, and academy. And as you can see here, we can here this is the following output: auxiliary A academy, auxiliary B, auxiliary C academy, auxiliary D academy. So patterns to be brace expanded may contain a leading portion called a preamble and a trailing portion called a postscript. So the brace expansion itself may contain either a comma separated list of strings or a range of integers or a single characters. So the pattern may not contain uncoded white space. So here is an example, for example, echo. So now we will write following example: lecture number, and here, for example, lecture number from 1 to 20 here. Oops, not like this, here. That's it. And as you can see here, lecture number 1, lecture number 2, lecture number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from 1 to 20. I think you are getting the logic of these expansions here. So now we can also do it like that. So clear, and echo 01 from 01 to 99 here, and we will get this following output here. And you can also do it from, for example, 001 to 099, and you would also get this output. So if you tried it something like that, and here you would also get the same output, because it starts with 001 and then ends to 99 here. You can also do something like that. For example, echo, you can use the range of letters in a reverse order like this. So from Z to A, and here, and as you can see here, we got from Z, A, X, and lastly A here. So we reversed the letters here. So, and you can also reverse this numbers here. So you can also write from 99 to 1. So for example, echo 99 to 1, and here you can also do it from 099 to 1, and you can also do 099 to 000, and as you can see here, 099, and lastly 000. So let's think of like that. What is this good for? The most common application is to make lists of files or directories to be created. For example, if we were photographers and had a large collection of images that we wanted to organize into years and months, the first thing we might do is create a series of directories named, for example, yes, and actually let me write it down here so you will understand better. So the first thing we're gonna do is create a series of directories named, for example, year, and after month. So this way, the directory names would sort in a chronological order, and we could type out a complete list of directories, but that's a lot of work in this case, and it's error prone. So instead we could do here in next example, but firstly what we want to do here, for example, October, and the month is going to be, for example, no, year first. So first we're going to write the year here. So year is going to be, for example, 2024 October, and inside this we're going to have the photographs. So this is going to be directory here, and this is going to be our directory, and inside this we're going to save and order photographs in it. So let's get started with our example now. And here, firstly we're gonna ls here. So firstly we're gonna go to documents or another directory. So we won't see the other useless directories here. Or let's actually go to cd my dir1 and ls. So we don't have any files in it. That's good. And for example, make dir photos. Yeah, photos. And here we created the dir photos. So we're gonna cd to photos here. Photos. And now we will make the dir here. So now that's here, for example, my mcod dir here, and from 2024 or 2022, from 2020 to 2025. And here, and we will also write a month number. So in this case, the month numbers is going to be 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, also 07, 08, 09, not 0 here, 10, and 11 and 12. So the month's order is going to be like this here. So let's here, in order to do that, we will write it 01 to 12, and here let's create enter, and here let's see the magic here, ls, and as you can see here, lsl here, and as you can see here, actually we did an mistake here because we did write it like that. So now let's actually see what did create what did we create. And here, as you can see here, we create, actually we didn't mistyped the error. Instead of writing this, we have to write 2 space characters. So clear, let's write it again. So we don't have any files, ls, and here we will do mcod dir, and from 2020 to 2025, and here 01, from 01 to 12. And here, as you can see here, we did create our folders for it. So for example, this is 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and it goes like this to from 2021 to our 2025 12 here. And this is pretty like magic, right? So in next lecture you will also learn about the parameter expansion. So I'm waiting you in next lecture.